Hello, my name is Jose Rivera, and I'm gonna show you guys here on my garage my toolbox and all my tools, the one that help me get the job done and the one that they're gonna help me throughout my future career, the one I'm trying to build up. And first of all, in the first drawer, I have my torque wrench, my impact gun. It's pretty new, and as you can see, I have my voltmeter, test light, and I have my pliers here, and my piston rings or ring pliers too, and my wrenches, which they're pretty nice, and these are my screwdrivers and pry bars, and yeah, and these are all my sockets and breaker bar, this Allen, and one of my favorite drawer is my Snap on Veras, and it's a Snap on Veras Pro, and I have all my hammers here, and got this, and my impact sockets right here. Don't use regular ones on cars, on the tires, I mean. And these are my safety glasses, earplugs, and knife, tire pressure gauge, flashlight, and this magnet. So thank you.